Welcome to the Alta overview video. So Alta is the online homework system you will use for Math 123 this fall. Now, when you go into your modules, as you know, you've got a lot of different pieces. When you see the kind of like the little notebook next to it, those are the assignments. The very first time you click on an assignment, it's going to bring you to what we call, right? It's the assignment page. Well, they'll always bring you to the assignment page, but you'll notice there's not a whole lot here. It says unlock. It says purchase. So the first time you go in, go ahead and click purchase. Now, if you are using financial aid at the bookstore, it's going to cost you a whole lot more than $20. The bookstore's codes, I believe, are right around $40. But if you're using financial aid, you'll do that. You'll enter the code in through the access code on the right. If you are not using financial aid, you can use a one-time purchase for $20 on the side. If you don't have $20 today, you can use courtesy access and then put your code in or put in the code later, pay the $20 later. Okay, but this is $20 the entire semester. That's all you need. Okay, so I'm just going to click courtesy access because I'm not going to pay $20 for this because I am the instructor. But this is what your assignments are then going to look like. So you'll see that it shows that my courtesy access ends in 13 days. So in the next 13 days, I can go in, hit purchase, and then either pay the $20 with my credit card or use my financial aid to get a code from the bookstore. Either way, we are then in our assignments. So you'll notice that you have a start button. I also want to bring your attention to the bottom of this. This assignment has 3 objectives in it. At any point in time, you can click on these pieces of paper on the right and see instruction for those assignments. So if you're not sure what you're getting into, you can view the instruction first. Otherwise, you can just hit start and jump right into your assignment. Now, one thing that I want to point out, we don't need to hear Katie, your homework is mastery based. That means if you really understand what's going on and you're doing really well with it, you're going to do less problems than if it's a foreign topic that you've never seen before. So each homework assignment is personalized to your learning path. It's going to give you exactly what you need to help you work through the topics. At any point in time, if you have questions about the assignment, the questions that you're seeing, the length of the assignment, anything, just reach out to your instructor, right? Send an email that says, hey, whatever, and they will help you out. Anything that you see in your assignment, every question, your instructor also can see those problems. So there's an easy one-to-one help here with these homework problems. Now, at any point in time in the middle of a problem, if you need help, you can see there's a more instruction button that will help you work through the problem. Now, just for fun, I'm going to get this problem wrong because I can. You'll notice that it said sorry, and because it's free response, I have 2 tries. Now, when I get it wrong the second time, it's going to walk me through what happened. So the homework system is going to give you a detailed feedback about what and how to do these problems. Now, pay attention to this. Check your work that you've written down on your paper against this so that you can find your mistake. You're right? Because we want to learn from our mistakes so that when we get to the next problem, we can maybe do better. All right, so you're going to have a mixture of free response, multiple choice, depending on the objective, and you're going to have your mastery piece at the top. That's going to help you work through to the very end. Again, just make sure that you email your instructor if you have any questions. If you decide you are kind of done with this for right now, you'll notice that it says keep going. So when I come back later, I just click keep going. It'll throw me back into my assignment. So at no point in time do I have to sit down and do it all at one time. You can always come back. You also see that it now has a view activity details button. This shows every problem that you've done in this assignment. Your instructor has access to all of that as well. So you can say, hey, the first problem I did, I don't understand. And you can have a one-on-one conversation about that problem where both parties can see exactly what the problem was asking. Now that I'm on courtesy access, I'm just going to go back into my module real quick. Any assignment that I jump into, you are going to see that I can just get right in. Now, This is a different type of assignment. You'll see this one says 0 out of 4, meaning you have 4 tries. We have a set of assignments. I don't remember how many there are, maybe 5 or 6 that are not adaptive. They are just a set number of assignments, and you have 4 tries at that. So, I don't know where my start button is. I'm going to have to, why can't I get into this yet? Okay, I'm going to do some digging on my end and figuring out why I don't have a start button here. If somebody else finds that, let me know. But you will have assignments where you have 4 attempts, meaning if you do it the first time and you get 6 out of 8 problems right, you can do it again and have a chance to get 8 out of 8. So you have 4 tries. So that's the basics with the online homework system. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out and ask. We are definitely here to help.